Hello and welcome to WeBuyMotorcaravan.com. Today we have got a 2003 registered on the 53 plate Bessacarr E410. This is a nice little two berth with two belted seats. It has a maximum weight of 3 tonne, so it can easily be driven on the standard car licence. It comes in quite a bit below the 6 metre mark in length at 5.58. This one in particular has got the double electric step, Fiamma awning, bike rack, reversing sensors. It's built on the Fiat Ducato 2 litre JTD engine. Very manageable size for whoever is driving it. Just not too wide or tall either. External lockers for gas and under seating storage. As you can see, this one has the 2 bench seats. This makes one large double bed. Storage above and below this area. TV cabinet. The cab itself, as I said, it is the Fiat Ducato 2 litre engine with the driver airbag, 5-speed gearbox, reversing sensors, electric mirrors, electric windows, as well as radio CD player. Facing towards the rear, we have even more storage above and below. Control panel for the motorhome above the habitation door. End kitchen, again lots more storage. Oven grill, Electrolux or Dometic fridge, sink and 4-hob burner. And then to finish, next to the full length wardrobe, or the wardrobe above the fireplace, is the bathroom with cassette toilet, sink and shower. And there we have the fireplace and a nice long wardrobe as well. If you've got any questions on this motorhome, or if you've got a motorhome to sell, please get in touch by calling 01283 240 237 or by visiting WeBuyAnyMotorcaravan.com.